Hello viewers, I am Wasim Raza for Globbal TV. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was one of the freedom fighters who fought for the liberation of India from the British rule. In this video, I will share with you who has given his opinion about the struggle of Jinnah and how Indian politicians and Indian media is madly reacting on it. Samajwadi party chief and former Uttar Pradesh CM Akhilesh Yadav has commented in a public meeting last day saying that Sardar Patel, Mahatma Ghandi, Jawaharlal Nehru and Muhammad Ali Jinnah studied in the same institute. They became barristers and fought for India's freedom. As Yadav has admitted Muhammad Ali Jinnah to be a freedom fighter for the liberation of subcontinent, the majority of the Indian politicians and the large section of Indian media has become really furious. They are largely of the view that Jinnah divided India, but their role as freedom fighters against the British, they are not ready to accept. Yadav is being criticized from everywhere. Even the so-called leader of Indian Muslims, AIMIM chief Assaduddin Owaisi, seemed to be very much furious and angry. He said that Yadav should understand that Indian Muslims have nothing to do with Jinnah. If Akhilesh Yadav thinks that by giving such statements he can make a section of people happy, I think he's wrong, and he should change his advice. He should also educate himself and read some history. Yadav should understand that Indian Muslims have nothing to do with Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Our elders rejected the two-nation theory and chose India as their country. He added, since we are well aware of the prejudiced attitude of the Indian media and the Indian politicians, the reaction and the attitude of showing hesitation in accepting Jinnah as a freedom fighter against the British rule in subcontinent put a question mark on the personality of Owaisi, as he claims to be the leader of the Indian Muslims. Such kind of leaders are really responsible for the bad condition of the Muslim of India. Particular Hindu mentality has not accepted the role of Jinnah, but also the role of Sikhs who have really fought for the liberation of the subcontinent against the British. Indian Hindus have not really treated well with the Sikhs. That's why they are wandering like vagabonds abroad in the other countries of the world. Being forced at last, they have raised the voice for Khalistan and have conducted a referendum in which they have asked the Sikhs whether they want Punjab to become a Khalistan, a homeland, an independent homeland of Sikhs or not. This referendum has held 2 days before 31st October 2021 in London. Now the same kind of referendum will be conducted also in other countries of Europe, America and Australia, Canada, etc. To know more about on the issue, please keep in touch and subscribe our channel. Till next, bye bye.